everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic, how to decorate a mosque with carpets like a pro. Carpets play a significant role in enhancing the spiritual and aesthetic ambience of a mosque, so it's crucial to choose the right ones. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide on making the best choices for mosque carpets. 1. Understanding importance. First, let's discuss why carpets are so important in mosques. Not only do they provide comfort to worshippers, but they also add beauty and a sense of unity to the prayer space. Carpets in mosques should be durable, easy to maintain, and conducive to prayer. 2. Choosing the right material. When choosing a carpet for a mosque, material is key. Wool is one of the most popular choices because it's durable, soft, and naturally stain-resistant. Nylon and polypropylene are also good options due to their durability and ease of maintenance. 3. Selecting colors and patterns. Color and pattern are crucial. Traditional Islamic colors such as green, blue, and red are often preferred. These colors are not only historically significant but also create a calm and serene environment. Patterns should typically be geometric and symmetrical, reflecting Islamic art and avoiding figurative designs to maintain decorum suitable for a place of worship. 4. Measuring for fit. Proper measurement is essential. Carpets should cover the entire prayer area without leaving any gaps. Make sure to measure the length and width of the prayer hall to ensure that the carpets fit perfectly and align properly, facilitating straight rows during prayer. 5. Installation tips. Installation is another critical step. Carpets should be laid seamlessly, ensuring they are flat and secure on the floor to prevent any slips or trips. Hiring professionals is advisable as they will ensure the carpets are installed properly and last longer. 6. Maintenance and care. Lastly, maintaining your mosque's carpets is just as important as selecting them. Regular vacuuming, immediate stain removal, and professional cleaning every few months will keep the carpets in pristine condition and extend their life. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to decorate a mosque with carpets like a pro. By choosing the right materials, colors, and patterns, and ensuring proper installation and maintenance, you can create a beautiful and respectful prayer environment. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive updates on more content like this.